Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of watching YouTube videos in the background while multitasking on your device. It's a neat trick that allows you to keep your favorite videos playing while you use other apps. Let's dive right in. But this only works for US users on iPhones. Everyone else using iPhones outside of the US will need to pay for YouTube Premium to access feature. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to tweak some settings. Begin by navigating to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on General. Within General Settings, locate the Picture-in-Picture option. Ensure it's enabled so that YouTube videos can play in the background on your device. Now, let's focus on the YouTube app settings. Open the YouTube app and access its settings. You can do this by tapping your profile picture or icon, then navigating to Settings. Once there, head over to the General section. Again, ensure that Picture-in-Picture is toggled on. With these settings configured, you're all set to enjoy YouTube videos while multitasking. Simply play a video. And when you want it to continue playing in the background, swipe up to activate the Picture-in-Picture mode. Keep in mind that while this feature works for most videos, some premium content might require a subscription. However, for the majority of videos, this feature should work seamlessly. If you're not seeing these options yet, make sure your device and YouTube app are up to date. Once everything's set, you'll have the freedom to browse your device while your favorite YouTube content keeps playing in the background. So that's all about it. Thanks for tuning in. Feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Your feedback is appreciated. Don't forget to hit the like button and, more importantly, subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.